I've been seeing a lot of people drinking espresso martinis. So I like to do a twist on a classic recipe, chai espresso martini. I love chai. This is actually this local chai tea that I bought. And what I'm doing is infusing it into simple syrup. So I made some simple syrup. This has been steeping for about 20 minutes, and this is gonna stay good in my fridge for almost a week, probably 5 days. And I'm gonna use it in my cold brew and other little recipes. But let's start with this recipe, espresso martini. Yay. One ounce of espresso, chilled. So this is a pinch of cinnamon and a little pinch of cardamom. So I'm gonna add almost 2 tablespoons of my simple syrup. We're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka, 1.5 ounces of Kahlua. Let's shake it up. I'm sure my mixology friends out there have a much better way of shaking this, but this is my amateur home chef way. All right, got a nice chill there. Crack the seal. Boink. Oh wait, I need my little strainer. Hang on one second. Strainer. Okay. We got some good froth going on here too. You gotta get that froth out. Oh my gosh. Oh, the chai makes it such a beautiful color. Oh, and it smells so good, guys. Okay, so now, and here is our twist on the espresso martini. Chai espresso martini. Cheers. That is so good, you guys. The chai marries perfectly with the espresso. That simple syrup is so nice. It just makes it really smooth. Sometimes espresso can be like that, like strong. This is like a beautiful, subtle smoothness. And it's really like earthy and nutty. Let me know what you guys think. I think you're gonna love this. Yummy. See you guys soon.